Hello students, I am Professor Mr. Shelka Manisha. This is our 21st lecture on management. Okay. In the previous lecture, we have started students unit 4, safety management. Already we have started this fourth unit, safety management, and in that we have seen 4.1, 4.2, 4.3 and 4.4 subcontents. So what we have seen students? We have seen in safety management what is the need for safety management measures. Also we have seen general safety norms for an individual or group, and also we have seen what are the preventive measures for the safety. Also we have seen students what is mean by accident, means definition of accident, types of industrial accidents, and what are the different causes of industrial accidents. Now today we have to see students subcontent 4.4, that is fire hazards and fire drill, and also we have to see what are the safety procedures. So in today's lecture we will complete these two subcontent, that is first one fire hazards, that is fire drill, and second is safety procedure. So students, what you will get from this lecture? So you can able to apply principles of safety management in activities. So different principles, you can able to apply different principles of safety management in your day-to-day work. So unit 5 outcome, what is this? You can able to know the specifications of fire extinguisher for the given type of fire. So in this unit we have to see what are the different types of fires also. So step by step we will go ahead. So students, you can able to understand through this lecture the types of fires and fire extinguishers. Okay. Also you can able to know what are the specifications of water type extinguisher for class A fire. Okay. So we will go ahead. So students, what we have to see in fire hazards. So see, we have to see what is mean by fire hazard. Then what are the classifications of fire hazard? Then we have to see what are the different types of fire extinguishers. Then we have to see how to use fire extinguisher as per the need. Then we have to see fire emergency action plan, and what are the specification of water type extinguisher. So these points we have to complete now. So PASS is known as, or we can call it as, P means pull, A means aim, S means squeeze, and sweep, S means sweep. So we will see what is fire hazard. Okay. So students, fire hazards are the conditions that favor fire growth. ओके, जिथे आग लागण्याचा जास्त मोठा परिणाम होत असतो. दिस इज द फायर ट्रायंगल and actually it's a tetrahedron because there are 4 elements that must be present for a fire to exist. तर आग लागण्यासाठी कुठले 4 गोष्टी डिपेंड असतात? तर बघूयात आपण. There must be oxygen, heat, fuel and chemical reaction. So that it is called as, it is a tetrahedron. Why? Because these 4 elements must be present for a fire to exist. Okay. So oxygen माहितीच आहे तुम्हाला, heat माहिती आहे, fuel माहिती आहे, आणि chemical reaction काय होत असते त्याचे याचं सुद्धा आपल्याला नॉलेज आहे. So oxygen is to sustain combustion. Heat, what it does? To raise the material to its ignition temperature. Then fuel, it supports to the combustion. Okay. And what chemical reaction? Between the other 3 elements means oxygen, heat and fuel. So remove any one of the 4 elements to extinguish the fire. Okay. So observe this fire hazard. So heat, oxygen, fuel and chemical reaction. You can see here triangle. Okay. Heat is there, oxygen, fuel and chemical reaction. So each of these three elements must be present at the same time to have a fire. So a fire will burn until one or more of the elements is removed. So students, remember what is fire hazard? It is a triangle or tetrahedron. We can see that is the combination of four: heat, oxygen, fuel and chemical reaction. Okay. So now students, we will see what are the different classifications of fire. So students, there are A, B, C, D and K. These are the four classifications of fires. What are the classifications of fires? Class A, class B, class C, class D and class K. So one by one we will see. So class A fires are fires in ordinary combustibles such as wood, paper, cloth, rubber and many plastics. So this is called as class A fires. Class B मध्ये काय येतं मुलांनो? Class B fires are fires in flammable liquids. लिक्विड मुळे जिथे आग लागते. So such as gasoline असेल, petroleum, grease, tars, oils, then oil based paints, solvents, alcohols. Okay. So class B fires also include flammable gases such as propane and butane. Flammable gases मध्ये काय? Propane and butane हे सुद्धा class B fire मध्ये include आहेत. तर क्लास ए मध्ये काय सांगितलं तुम्हाला? वूड, पेपर, क्लॉथ, रबर अँड मेनी प्लास्टिक्स. दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज क्लास ए फायर. ओके. क्लास बी मध्ये मुलांना काय? फ्लेमेबल लिक्विड्स लाइक अल्कोहोल, पेट्रोलियम, गॅसोलीन, ग्रीस, then tars, oils, okay, oil based paints, then solvents, etc. So class B fires also include flammable gases such as propane or butane. लक्षात ठेवायचं. So class C fires are fires involving energized electrical equipment such as computer, servers, motors, transformers and appliances. Class C मध्ये काय include आहे मुलांनो fire मध्ये? Energized electrical equipments like computer, servers, motors, transformers and appliances. Okay. Class D fires are included what? Such as magnesium, titanium, zirconium, sodium, lithium and potassium. So these are comes under class D fire. And class K fire, students, in cooking oils and greases such as animal and vegetable fats. So you have to remember the classification of fire like this in this way. Class A मध्ये काय include असतं लक्षात ठेवायचं? Paper, wood, rubber, cloth, etc. Class B मध्ये लक्षात ठेवायचं simply what you have to remember? It includes flammable liquids like petrol, diesel, alcohol, solvents, oil based paints, oils, tars, greases, etc. क्लास सी मध्ये काय इन्क्लूड आहे मुलांनो? कॉम्प्युटर्स, सर्व्हर्स, मोटर्स, ट्रान्सफॉर्मर्स एक्सेट्रा. क्लास डी मध्ये काय सांगितलं तुम्हाला? वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे मेटल्स सच as मॅग्नेशियम, टिटॅनियम, झिरोनियम, सोडियम, lithium, potassium. Okay. And in class K fires are in cooking oils and greases such as animal fat and vegetable fat. So you have to remember this classification of fires. Okay. See through this diagram A, B, C, D and K, class A, class B, class C, class D and class K. So observe this table. Ordinary combustibles and याच्यामध्ये wood, paper, cloth etc. B class मध्ये flammable liquids, grease, oil, paint, solvents etc. Class C मध्ये light electrical equipments like computer, motor, wiring etc. क्लास डी मध्ये मुलांनो मॅग्नेशियम, ॲल्युमिनियम, ओके. and class C मध्ये commercial cooking equipments like cooking oils, animals fat or vegetable oils. Okay. So we have seen the classification of fire extinguisher. Students, fire extinguisher are classified on the type of fires. We have before what we have seen just now, classification of fires. So what are the classifications? Class A, B, C, D and K, that you have to remember. Now we have to see classification of fire extinguishers. So fire extinguishers are classified on the types of fire. जे आपण आता previously types of fire पाहिले त्याच्यावरती डिपेंड क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर्स आहेत. सो क्लास ए फायर, water gas cartridge, water mist, foam, dry powder, wet chemical etc. क्लास बी मध्ये काय आहे मुलांनो? फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर, वॉटर मिस्ट, फोम, ड्राय पावडर, कार्बन डायऑक्साइड, CO2, some wet chemical. Okay. क्लास सी मध्ये वॉटर मिस्ट, ड्राय पावडर and कार्बन डायऑक्साइड. क्लास डी मध्ये स्पेशलिस्ट ड्राय पावडर and class K मध्ये water mist and wet chemical. That you have to remember. Okay. So see this classification of fire extinguishers. कुठल्याही ऑर्गनायझेशन मध्ये एखाद्या लॅब मध्ये हे आपण तुम्ही ठेवलेले ऑब्झर्व केले असेल. युजिंग द करेक्ट फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर ऍट द अप्रोप्रिएट टाइम. सो वॉटर, ड्राय पावडर, फोम, CO2 and wet chemical. So these are the classifications of fire extinguishers. Okay. Now students, we will see how to use fire extinguishers. These are the types of fire extinguishers we have seen. Now we have to see how to use these fire extinguishers. कशा पद्धतीने यूज करायचे? So the following 4 steps techniques can be memorized more easily with the acronym. तर खाली जे 4 स्टेप्स मी सांगणार आहे ते त्याच्यावरून आपल्याला येईल की हाऊ टू अंदाज येईल की हाऊ टू यूज द फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर. सो दीज आर द 4 स्टेप्स. फर्स्ट वन इज pull. Pull means what? Pull the pin to break the tamper seal. Then aim. Aim low, pointing the nozzle or hose at the base of the fire. That is, do not touch the horn on a CO2 extinguisher since it becomes very cold and can be damaged skin. So, nozzle or hose at the base of the fire. Then squeeze. Squeeze the handle to release the extinguishing agent. Then sweep. Sweep from side to side at the base of the fire the fuel source until the fire is extinguished. You have to only sweep. So if the fire reignites, repeat the last 3 steps. Third step जी आहे squeeze. जर फायर परत ignition झालं तर काय करायचं? You have to repeat the third step, that is squeeze. Okay. So from this way you have to, or you can able to handle fire extinguisher. Okay. See, pull, aim, squeeze and sweep. That is pass. Pull, aim, squeeze and sweep. Okay. You have to remember the word pass. Pass म्हणजे काय? लक्षात ठेवायचं तुम्हाला कीवर्ड आहे हा. पास वर्ड लक्षात ठेवून तुम्हाला काय लक्षात ठेवायचंय? P means pull, PA, A means aim, PAS, S means squeeze and परत S means sweep. So PA double S. Okay. Okay. Now we will see fire emergency action plan and drill. What we have to see now? Fire emergency action plan and drill. So students, assess all possible fire emergencies. Conduct fire drill. So assess resources available in the plant and make a list of them with their location, contact phones of fire brigade and in charge persons. Okay. फायर ब्रिगेड आणि इन्चार्ज पर्सनचा कॉन्टॅक्ट नंबर आपल्याकडे पाहायचे. तर काय ऍक्शन काय घ्यायची, तर फर्स्ट स्टेप काय असणार आहे मुलांनो, असेस ऑल पॉसिबल फायर इमर्जन्सीज अँड कंडक्ट फायर ड्रिल. देन assess resources available in the plant and make a list of them with their locations, contact phones of the fire brigade and in charge persons. Then access resources needed from outside and make a list of them with their places of availability, contact persons and phone numbers. Okay. Then prepare a central control room for coordination of emergency time activities. एक कंट्रोल रूम रेडी असली पाहिजे आपल्याकडे, जेणेकरून इमर्जन्सी असेल त्यावेळेला काही ऍक्शन प्लॅन केला जाईल. ओके. त्यानंतरचा पुढचं आहे प्रिपेअर अन ऑर्गनाइज्ड ग्रुप ऑफ की पर्सन हु विल ऍक्ट टू कंट्रोल द इमर्जन्सी. एक ग्रुप बनवायचा तुम्हाला आणि त्या ग्रुपला नाव द्यायचं आहे की पर्सन. त्यांचं काय काम असेल, दे विल ऍक्ट टू कंट्रोल द इमर्जन्सी. घटित काही न घडण्यासाठी त्यांचा प्रयत्न असतील. सो एव्हरीबडी शुड बी गिवन देअर रोल इन रायटिंग. प्रत्येकाला कोणी काय ड्युटी करायची आहे, प्रत्येकाचा रोल हा त्याला रिटर्न मध्ये दिला गेला पाहिजे. सो टेबल टॉप एक्सरसाइज अँड रिहर्सल विल बी कॅरीड आउट. Shape their actions. Established in-house safety committee. प्रत्येकाला जे जे वर्क वाटून दिलेलं आहे त्याच्यावरती काय केलं पाहिजे, टेबल टॉप एक्सरसाइज अँड रिहर्सल ऑफ द प्लान which they have given by the others. So that will be carried out to shape their actions. योग्य वेळी योग्य ती ऍक्शन घेण्यासाठी हा प्लॅन त्यांना युजफुल ठरेल. रिहर्सल. सो एस्टॅब्लिश्ड अँड in-house safety committee. In-house safety committee देखील आपण तयार केली पाहिजे. So all communication systems shall be maintained in workable orders. प्रत्येकाला ज्याची ज्याची ड्युटी देऊन ते काम सतत सायमल्टेनियसली चालू असलं पाहिजे. So double gates म्हणजे one for entry and another for exit. Then unobstructed inner roads and proper sign boards shall be displayed. कुठल्याही कंपनीमध्ये एंट्री करताना एंट्रीचं गेट वेगळं असायला हवं आणि एक्झिटचं वेगळं. Also unobstructed inner roads and proper sign symbols should be given or shall be displayed on the walls or on the boards. So mark fire prone areas on the factory plan. जिथे जिथे फायर प्रोन एरिया आहे तो मार्किंग मध्ये दिसला पाहिजे. ओके. पुढचा ऍक्शन प्लॅन आणि ड्रिल काय असणार आहे, हाऊसकीपिंग शॅल बी रेग्युलरली चेक्ड. वेळच्या वेळी सगळे इलेक्ट्रिशियल पॉइंट्स किंवा बाकीचे जे काही मशिनरीज आहेत ते रेग्युलरली चेक झाले पाहिजे. फायर वॉटर वर्किंग ऑर्डर ऑफ फिक्स्ड फायर इन्स्टॉलेशन and placement of charge portable extinguishers shall be regularly checked. 9th point मध्ये काय करायचंय, फायर वॉटर असेल किंवा वर्किंग ऑर्डर ऑफ फिक्स्ड फायर इन्स्टॉलेशन्स किंवा प्लेसमेंट ऑफ चार्ज पोर्टेबल extinguishers that shall be regularly checked by the authorized person. Then alternate power source shall be kept ready. जनरेटर वगैरे ते पॉवर सोर्स आपण आपला रेडी पाहिजे. अल्टरनेटिव्ह पॉवर सोर्स शॅल बी केप्ट रेडी. रनर्स शॅल बी अरेंज टू ऍक्ट इन द इव्हेंट ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन फेल्युअर. रनर्स शॅल बी अरेंज कशासाठी? धावत जाणारी लोक पाहिजेत. कशासाठी? टू ऍक्ट इन द इव्हेंट ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन फेल्युअर. मोबाईल मध्ये बोलताना किंवा लँडलाईन फोनवरून कम्युनिकेशन करत असताना काही टेक्निकल इश्यू झाला तर फास्ट तिथपर्यंत पोहोचून तो मेसेज तिथे पोहोचण्यासाठी काही रनर्स आपण अलर्ट ठेवले पाहिजे, रेडी ठेवले पाहिजे. सो distinctive garments or caps that band etc shall be given to emergency controllers. वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे कपडे नेसेसरी or cap also band that shall be given to emergency controllers. Safety garments we can use at the time of fire hazard. Then decide assembly points for the safe gathering by other people. You have to decide the assemble points for the safe gathering by other people. काय झालं तर सगळ्यांनी तिथून बाहेर निघून एका ठिकाणी यायचं असं आधीच ठरवलेलं असलं पाहिजे. तो पॉइंट आपण फिक्स केलेला असला पाहिजे. त्यानंतर keep arrangements for medical security and transport in readiness to handle the emergency. अजून काय रेडी ठेवलं पाहिजे मुलांनो? keep arrangements for medical, then security and transport in readiness to handle the emergency. These systems are ready पाहिजे. Train firefighting crew, medical staff and other workers for their emergency. They can also ready. Train firefighting crew, medical staff and other workers for their emergency. Then assured before restarting the normal work that fire is fully extinguished. हा इन्सिडेंट घडून गेल्याच्या नंतर पूर्ण जिथल्या तिथे आल्याच्या नंतर अश्युरन्स घेऊन you have to start the normal work in the particular company that fire is fully extinguished. So environment is cooled, debris etc removed, all the clear signals is given and the plant is ready for restart. तर at the last नॉर्मल वर्क सुरू करण्यासाठी सगळ्या गोष्टींचा आढावा घेऊन म्हणजे that fire is fully extinguished and whether the environment is cooled, whether the fire is fully extinguished, environment is cooled, that all points we have to consider and all clear signal is given and the plant is ready for a restart. Okay. See, observe this fire emergency action plan and drill. These are the signs and symbols. Okay. Runner, telephone. Okay. See, entry, exit. Okay. Now we have to see specifications of water type portable fire extinguisher, that is 9 liter capacity class A. काय पाहायचं आता आपल्याला? स्पेसिफिकेशन्स ऑफ वॉटर टाइप पोर्टेबल फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर. किती लिटरची कॅपॅसिटी आहे? 9 लिटर क्लास ए. सो ऑब्झर्व दिस पिक्चर. 9 liter capacity of water type portable fire extinguisher. So fire prevention, look, listen and learn. So always be aware. Okay. Prevent a fire in your home. That type of all instructions are given. Okay. Okay. Now students, we will see the specifications of water type portable fire extinguisher class A. Number 1, type of extinguisher. आणि दुसऱ्या कॉलम मध्ये आपल्याला बघायचंय पोर्टेबल फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर और वॉटर टाइप दॅट इज गॅस कार्ट्रेज. सो टाइप ऑफ एक्सटिंग्विशर मध्ये काय? पोर्टेबल फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर वॉटर टाइप दॅट इज गॅस कार्ट्रेज. त्यानंतर मीडिया ऑफ एक्सटिंग्विशर्स मध्ये वॉटर. क्वांटिटी 1. कॅपॅसिटी किती आहे? 9 to 9 liters. Shape of the body cylindrical. Okay. Outside diameter 175 plus 5 mm. Then siphon, the tube and strainer. That siphon tube with strainer shall be fitted at the free end inside the body. Then material of construction of body, mild steel with minimum grade, that is D of 1 IS 513. Then material of construction of siphon tube, stainless steel tube, that is IS 6913. Material of construction of cartridge holder, knob, discharge fitting, okay, piston and plunger, that is stainless steel as per IS 6528. So this is the classification of water type portable fire extinguisher. अजून बघूयात पुढे. Material of spring, that spring steel wire, that is grade 1 to 50 1S, that 4455, that is called as part 1. Hose dimension, that shall be not of less than 8 mm, bore and length not less than 600 mm. Okay. Size of gas cartridge किती पाहिजे? 60 gram as per IS 4947. Carbon dioxide, CO2, shall be moisture free and 99% pure and shall conform to the requirement of IS 15222. Next, performance requirement of gas cartridge, that shall be subjected to internal pressure of 250 kilogram per centimeter for minimum period of 1 minute. Then throw distance not less than 6 meter for minimum period of 60 seconds, that provided that at least 90% of. So water is discharged within maximum 120 seconds. Okay. Then color, fire rate or post office rate conforming to shades number 536 or 538 of 1S किंवा IS5. त्यानंतर testing, that shall be tested at hydraulic test pressure of 3.0 ml per centimeter square, that is 30 kg for a period of 2 minutes. Then marking for IS 940 latest amendment. Okay. So this is all about specifications of water type portable fire extinguisher. The capacity is 9 liter, class A. Okay. So see the water fire fighting extinguisher. Okay. Safety clips. See the diagram. Operating level cum handle. How to handle that? Safety clip is there. Pressure gauge is there. High pressure cylinder is used. Gas cartridge is there. Then water level is there. Then siphon tube is there. Spray nozzle is there. Discharge hose is there. Okay. So you have to remember all the parts of this cylinder. Okay. Fighting water fire fighting extinguisher, we can say that. So specifications of water type portable fire extinguisher, we have seen this. Water extinguisher, water fire extinguisher. Remember all these parts included in this water fire extinguisher. काय काय लक्षात ठेवायचे तुम्हाला? Safety clip, operating level cum handle, then high pressure cylinder, then gas cartridge, then water level, then siphon tube is isolated there, then spray nozzle is there, discharge hose, pressure gauge. So these parts you have to remember. So students, today we have completed what is what is the meaning of fire hazard. Then we have seen the classifications of fires. Also, we have seen the different types of fire extinguishers on the basis of types of fire. Then we have seen how to use fire extinguisher. Then also we have seen fire emergency action plans at different time and specification of water type extinguisher. So we have completed here. Thank you.